it's Michelle with Honeymoon Always, coming to you from Sandals Royal Curaçao on the beautiful Caribbean island of Curaçao. This is one of the newest Sandals resorts, which they are referring to as Sandals 2.0, which means that there are a lot of features and amenities that you won't find at any other Sandals resort. This resort has stunning open architecture and one of my favorite features, gorgeous lush gardens. This resort is truly beautiful. One of the most amazing features of this resort is this stunning double-decker infinity pool. You'll see it in all the photos and videos of this resort. This is the spot to be at. We had a lot of fun at this pool. It's the place to be, and what that can mean is that the race to get a chair at this pool can be a little bit intense. Because of this, you may want to spring for butler service so someone else can wake up early to get you that prime spot by the pool. There are several other quieter pools placed around the property as well, so whether you want a party or some privacy, this resort has both. Because this is Sandals 2.0, they have a lot of restaurant concepts that you're not going to find anywhere else. There are 8 new restaurants, 13 bars, and 3 new food trucks. This might be a bold statement, but we think this resort has the best food we've had at any Sandals resort. They have some really great recipes, and the decor of each restaurant is done so beautifully. Each restaurant feels like a special occasion. And what we love about the food trucks is they're much more casual and fast, and the quality is still great. They have some awesome burgers here.
One thing that's cool about Sandals Royal Curaçao is that there are 3 food trucks you can choose from. So there's like an Asian one, a tapas one, and then like a more like burgers and hot dogs kind of typical lunch fare option as well. So we got these 2 bowls. Michelle got the chicken teriyaki, and then I got this beef one. But super fast, and we'll see if it's tasty.
It's perfect for when you want to continue to enjoy your time at the pool and you don't want the full sit-down service experience. Next up, I'll show you some of the suites you can stay at Sandals Royal Curaçao. We stayed in the Caricia 1-bedroom swim-up butler suite. This suite, of course, comes with butler service, and they took great care of us, bringing us fruits and cheese plates and snacks. We spent a lot of time in our semi-private pool, and we loved having extra space to relax. We also toured a Sunchi luxury beachfront suite, which comes with an ocean view. This is a great lower cost option, especially if you mostly plan to enjoy the resort amenities outside of your room. Now this is the absolutely stunning Ewa Seaside Butler Bungalow with private pool. If I could declare squatters' rights on any room, it would be this one. You not only get a stunning suite with a gorgeous private pool, but an incredible view of the ocean as well. This is so romantic. It's like having an overwater bungalow, but with a pool, so it's even better. Last, we have the Curacao Island Poolside Butler Bungalow. These romantic suites are grouped in the shape of a heart with semi-private pool access and, of course, butler service. We love that these suites offer a little bit more privacy and luxury. As is the case with all Sandals resorts, this resort is on a beautiful beach. However, this beach is a little different in that it is a man-made beach. It's a little cove kind of carved out of the sea. It's nice and there are fun things to do here, but we found most people were spending their time at the pool instead.
So the water temperature is really great, but it's a little man-made area, and you can do some stuff here, but it's not quite as much of a vibe as some of the other beaches at Sandals have been. So this one's not our favorite.
So if the beach is a must-have for your vacation, you may want to check out our video where we rank every Sandals resort, including sharing which ones we think have the best beaches. Another thing that sets this Sandals resort apart is that they make an effort to get you off property and seeing a bit more of the island. Some of the higher room categories come with Mini Cooper cars that you can use to drive around the island. When you stay here, you also get a $250 restaurant credit to use at certain restaurants in the community. So one evening for dinner, we went to this great farm-to-table restaurant and I had a lovely time. Sandals took care of the taxi to and from the resort, and we found that $250 was more than enough to enjoy a generous, delicious meal. It was a great way to experience more of Curaçao. There are several excursion opportunities in Curaçao, and one that we took is a private sunset cruise with Maxi Sailing. They picked us up from our resort and took us to their sailboat, and then we relaxed as we headed to a nearby area where the water was calm and beautiful and allowed for some snorkeling. We also enjoyed some tapas and drinks and calm music before heading back to the marina, watching the sunset on our way back. The owners were super laid back and accommodating, so you can really tailor the experience to what you're looking for. We actually have a code on our website for a discount on this romantic sailing experience, so I will leave a link in the description below for that. Even though Sandals Royal Curaçao is new, it's already gaining a reputation for putting on a good party. There are lots of live performances, even poolside during the day. So if you love music, singing, dancing, and fun, this is a great resort for you. If you prefer things on the quieter side, we recommend booking a room a little bit further from the main area of the resort and planning to spend some time at some of the quieter pools. One thing to note about Curaçao is that it's the first island Sandals has put a resort on that isn't like US or UK first in terms of tourism. It's a Dutch island, so from a customer service perspective, they're still getting used to what is expected from US or UK customers. That might take a little while for them to get right, so keep that in mind if you come like next month. But if you come a year from now, you'll probably be fine. Overall, we think this is a great and beautiful resort, especially if you want good food. We also think it's great if you want the big pool with the party vibes. This resort might not be for you if the beach is your #1 priority, but it's a modern resort and we think a lot of people will enjoy it. So this has been all about Sandals Royal Curaçao. If you have any questions, we'll leave some links for you in the description below. And if you book using one of our links, it does support our channel, so thank you so much. You can also follow along with us on Instagram at Honeymoon Always, and we'll see you at the next stop.